fireworks as a good night. Our first like thunderstorm we've had. Everything's in the oven, and I'll show you what that means in the morning.
It's gonna be muggy in here.
Yeah.
All hatches are closed.
We were told that if you ever were in a lightning storm, to put all your electronics in the oven. I think it insulates them or something. But we did it just in case because there was a lot of lightning last night. And a lot of rain. We had rain pouring in. These were open. It was pouring in and the cushions got soaked. It's drying out there. So everything got a good wash down.
So we had a pretty good thunderstorm last night. Tons of rain. It was crazy how it would just pour down. A bunch of water came in the boat because we were not prepared, I guess. But yeah, it's been a good couple days. We went quadding. Unfortunately, both of us suffered a bit from what the guidebooks call Montezuma's Revenge, or Turista. A little bit of a stomach issue, and I had to make an emergency stop on our trip and discovered that leaves don't grow very big here in Mexico, so that was kind of horrible. Don't laugh at me.
Yeah, it's so humbling, isn't it?
So we went really early in the morning. We got back, we were just exhausted, both didn't feel well. So I basically laid on the couches, did some work, slept. It was pretty brutal. But we're feeling better now, so it's time to go pick up laundry, do some more work, and plan for our next destination.
We've been here a week today.
Yeah.
Almost like to the hour.
Crazy.
Doing a little laundry with the rainwater. There's so much flooding in the streets, and like the sewer covers, the man covers are like overflowing, so it's gross. It stinks. Okay, go. Okay, I'm going here.
You got this.
Boom. Yeah. What did you just get? Laundry. We've been in Starbucks like all day. Then you just went and got our laundry. It's getting embarrassing here. Hopefully we can find our sailboat. There's no lights on right now.
Check out that boat.
Oh yeah. Wow.
That's probably something, that's like something we'll bump up to on our next boat.
Yeah. That is one party boat that never sails. Yeah, your lady killers.
Pew, pew, pew.
Yesterday was so windy and wavy that this morning we decided to wake up extra early. Well, not extra early, but early, and we're gonna go to the arch right now and snorkel with Ben and Genevieve and Rainier. We're excited! See some sea life. Who gets to go to places like this?
And it didn't cost us anything.
We made it! I have my mask in my face. We decided to beach our dinghies on the other side of the arch. It is known to have big breakers and can be quite dangerous to beach and launch from in poor conditions. Apparently this is frowned upon because not 30 seconds after landing on the sand, a patrol boat started yelling at us from the water that we needed to leave immediately.
So they're making us launch our dinghies from the other side of the beach, so. What do you call this again? A portage?
Portage, yeah.
Over land?
After our first successful portage, our other friends and sailing family, the Oggs, joined us all for some more snorkeling and freediving practice.
Okay. Tighten up, tighten up. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
A turtle? A baby one though. No, it's right here. On the It's a fragrant fire, falling in love, and the wolves stop howling and have come back into its hole.
You got scared.
And the way I feel tonight will soon prove. But in every little cell, the conclusion is I love you. It's just the love that I always dreamed of. The lonely days, it's all gone.
That was the best morning I've had in so long. That was so much fun. Snorkeling, working on our free dive game.
I think we got down to 20 feet.
Yeah, we think it was about 20 feet.
I was pretty comfortable at
where
that.
we were. It was really awesome. I honestly didn't think I'd ever be able to dive down in the water. Just holding my breath. It was so fun. Yeah, what an awesome day. thanks for watching. We really hope you guys enjoyed that episode. We love Cabo, and snorkeling at the Arch was for sure a highlight. If you want to make sure you don't miss out on any more episodes, make sure you subscribe and share it with your friends if you like it. Also, if you didn't know, Xanadu is for sale, and there is a link in the description below if you'd like to check her out. Hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you here next Wednesday for another episode of Walde Sailing.